Welcome back to 11 Alive Midday. We are taking a live look at Florida's Panama City Beach right now. It looks nice and sunny, but you just wait. Things are definitely getting ready to make a change there as meteorologists are tracking what is now Hurricane Helene. Here in Georgia, we are bracing for the impact as well, and our weather team is keeping a close eye on things for you.
That's right. Our Chesley McNeil standing by, and we could start seeing rain as soon as today.
Yeah, rain already out there. We have a severe thunderstorm warning up in the Floyd County area near Georgia's Rome. 11 Live Weather Impact Alert Day starting for this afternoon, lasting until Friday. That's what we're looking at. Hurricane Helene could bring or will bring a lot of rainfall our way, which could lead to some flooding, strong winds, which could lead to trees toppling over, which could lead to power outages, obviously, and also severe thunderstorm risk as far as tornadoes go. Typically, when you have tropical air mass moving through your area, could get some brief spin up, so we'll watch that. Now a hurricane with winds up to 80 miles per hour. The storm is moving to the north-northwest at about 10 miles per hour. It is forecast to strengthen in the Gulf. Could become a Category 2 hurricane by tomorrow, and then a Category 3 hurricane as we head into Thursday and into the Big Bend area of Florida, maybe over toward the Tallahassee area right now. That will weaken somewhat as it begins to move further off to the north, as it loses a lot of its strength once it moves inland. And so it could be still a tropical storm by the time the storm gets up toward us. So you're talking about tropical storm force winds in our area, and that could do some significant damage. So that's something that we'll watch out for, along with the flooding that will take place in our forecast area. So that will be late Thursday going into Friday. Here are the impacts. You're talking about 4 to 8 inches of rainfall. Locally, some higher amounts may get up to 10, 12 inches of rainfall. But wind could be very strong. You're talking about gusts could be around 60 miles per hour, maybe even a little higher. And then a severe weather threat for us, especially if we're wind up on the eastern side of the track of this system. And it continues to change, still down in the Gulf, southern portions of the Gulf, so we'll continue to watch that. Had a severe thunderstorm warning with this cell right here over toward the Georgia Rome area, and that's why the service let that go, but you can still see the numerous lightning strikes associated with those thunderstorms continue to slide further off to the north. This is going to head toward the Calhoun area, but all in all, it's making its way over toward the east. So just about everyone will get wet, especially as we head into the afternoon and evening. Temperatures right now close to 80 degrees in a lot of spots, but will cool off as that rain continues to push through the area, and that will be the case as we head through the afternoon and the evening. More on the rainfall, the timing, and everything you need to know in the full forecast straight ahead, guys.
Thank you, Chesley.
Storm preps are underway here across Georgia.
Yeah, emergency management officials started clearing debris and pre-positioning response team throughout the state. 11 Alive's Bobeth Yates is live in Atlanta with more on the efforts underway to get ready for Hurricane Helene. Bobeth?
Good morning there. Now, right now, emergency management crews say they are monitoring the storm and putting resources in place so they're not caught off guard. And as they do so, they want residents to do the same and get prepared. Now, Hurricane Helene is expected to bring significant amount of rainfall to North Georgia. The system could also pack heavy winds and cause downed trees and power outages. To be prepared, emergency management officials want residents to come up with an evacuation plan. They say know the route to where you're going and potential shelter locations. They also suggest having an emergency kit with enough water and non-perishable foods for several days, as well as batteries, flashlight, medicine, and important documents. They also want you to take precautions around your home.
If you're going to stay at home, you want to get your home prepared. You want to, bring in furniture that's outside or tables that could knock over things. And if you're going to evacuate, you want to have a go kit. And that's going to include at least 3 days worth of supplies. You want to bring medicine. You want to bring non-perishable food, water. You want to bring things for your pets.
In addition, officials say if you are a renter, you should check in with your rental management company and make sure the insurance is up to date and to see if you need any additional requirements to filing a insurance claim. Live in Atlanta, Bobeth Yates, 11 Alive News.
Thank you, Bobeth.
All right, so as you get ready to weather the storm at home, we want to remind you 24 hours before the storm, go ahead and identify your safe room. The fewer windows, the better here. Turn the fridge down to the coldest temperature to preserve your food if it goes out, and charge your cell phones in the first 24 hours after the storm. Clean up as soon as possible to help you avoid mold. Don't make any unnecessary calls. Save that cell phone battery by texting when possible. And when you have time, restock your emergency kits. You can watch watch free extended weather coverage right now on 11 Live Plus. Download it on your Roku, Fire TV, and even Apple TV. Stay up to date as well with the 11 Live mobile app. Scan the QR code you see right there on your screen. You can turn those notifications on to get those alerts and updates sent straight to where you live.